So what distinguishes the AME from a lot of other programs is that each participant will bring one business challenge from their companies in order to directly relate the content of the programs, the learnings, to their own realities so that we can create direct impact in their companies. They will go through a journey in the AME. The journey starts with opening up new opportunities, trying to get different perspectives at their business challenge. They then dive into what are the blockers? Why is their business challenge not moving forward? We often like to say it's the fault of the others. It's because they don't do what they are supposed to do. But as a leader, you also need to ask yourself the question, how much are you part of the problem yourself and how much are you part of the solution? We then start to navigate the corporate landscape in order to try to understand how can we engage commitment for our business challenges, how can we get the buy-in from people we do not have authority over. And over the next days, participants receive a lot of tips and tools and tricks of how to actually move their business challenges forward. The last days then, we will help them to build the story, because story is how you engage people around your business challenge. What is the story you're going to tell when you get back to your companies, and how are you going to engage the people around to help you?